Write a program that add BCD contents, binary coded decimal contents of a block memory, block length in hex not exceeding 63H, that means 99 in decimal, is stored as a 24FFH. This is the block length. How many contents of memory block are to be considered? You have to consider 5 numbers beginning from 2500. Store the BCD sum as a result starting from memory location 2600. It is of 2 byte result. Length is 5. You have to consider the 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And whatever result you will get, that you have to store in the memory location 2600H and 2601H. Here least significant and here most significant byte. Now let's go for program. Whenever consecutive memory locations are there, they are represented with a number present in HL. 24FF, Alexa H 24FF, move M to C. Here 05 is brought to register C, that means you have to go through 5 memory locations. XRAA, content of accumulator becomes 0. Move A to B, content of register B also becomes 0. That means here 2 byte addition is there. If carry is generated at that time, you have to increment B. INXH, it becomes 2500. Add M. Here 66 gets added to the accumulator, and here the result is converted. You will get the answer in hexadecimal form. You convert it in terms of BCD form with the help of DAA instruction. If carry is not generated, then go to down, not generated. But if generated, INR B and then DCRC. Here carry is not generated, therefore go to down, decrement C. Here 4 you will get, that means still 4 number you have to count for addition. This is not 0, then go to label up. Whatever instruction is there, execute that instruction. INXH, it becomes 2501. It becomes 2501. Add M, 74 is added to content of this accumulator. Result is stored in accumulator, and after DAA, you will get 40 in accumulator, and carry is generated. Therefore increment B instruction gets executed. If carry is not generated, then go to down. But here carry is generated. Therefore here you will get 10 increment B. That means here actual 66 plus 74, 4 plus 6, 0, carry over 1, 7 plus 7, 14, carry over 1, here you will get 0, 1. But this is executed with the help of DAA. Decrement C, again counter is decremented by 1, here you will get 3. That means still 3 numbers, through 3 numbers you have to go for addition. It is not 0, go to label up, go to the next, add it. You add 3, it becomes 43 after execution of addition and DAA. Carry is not generated, therefore decrement C, it becomes 02. It is not 0, therefore INXH, it becomes 2503. Take the number from it, add it and convert it in BCD form with the help of DAA. Here carry is generated. As carry is generated, don't go to the label down but increment B and then decrement C. Increment B, it becomes 0, 2. Decrement C, it becomes 0, 1. That means still number 1 is present to add in the contents of accumulator 2504 with the help of INXH. Add M, 23 gets added. With the help of DAA instruction, you will get the answer in BCD form. Carry is not generated. Go to the label down, decrement C, it becomes 0, 0. It becomes 0, 0. If not 0, then go to the instruction which is at label up. But now here 0. Therefore LXIH 2600. Whatever the answer in accumulator, it is transferred to that memory location. Here you will get 60. INXH, it becomes 2601. Whatever the answer in register B, it is brought to the accumulator. And here intentionally, forcefully, the ADI instruction gets executed, because after that you have to perform DAA instruction. Why ADI is necessary? If suppose after incrementing, if answer exceeds more than 9, that means if you get 0A, 0B or further answer more than 9, then that number should be converted in BCD form. But to convert the number in BCD form, before that the arithmetical group of instructions should be executed, but you have to execute such instruction that the answer should not alter. Therefore ADI 00. DAA, it is converted in terms of BCD form and move it to the next memory location. Here answer is 02. But if answer exceeds more than 9, then these parts come into the play. Then this is required. This is all about the program. Then we will execute the program. Here is the program which add BCD number. We will execute this program step by step. Here memory locations with number, and here is the program. Here content of different registers and register pair. HL becomes 24FF. How many numbers that brought to register D? HL goes to the number is taken to register B. Next, A and B both are cleared. Go to the next 2500. Take the number to the accumulator. Add it to the accumulator. Perform DAA operation. Carry is not there. Decrement D, it becomes 4. Go to the next location, add it, you will get answer in hexadecimal form with the help of DAA. You will get 40, and here increment carry generated 1. Execute the program step by step. You will get here the corresponding change in the contents of register. I will execute the program at once. You will get the result here. At 2600 is 60 and 2601 as a 2. Whatever already explained to you at the time of execution of the program. Now execute the program with different microprocessor kit. Here already program is entered. We will check the numbers from 24FF onwards. Reset exam memory 24FF. The same numbers are there. 05 length, 66, 74, 3, 94 and 23. Now here result is at 2600. Reset exam memory 2600, you will get the number 00 and 00 because program is not executed. Now execute the program, reset go 2000, execute and check the result at 2600 and 2601. you get 60 and 20. You are getting the same result. This is all about the execution of the program.